Let me show you how to remove and also change straps on your Garmin VENU 4 and VA6. So these watches both actually use the same kind of straps, so they actually these quick release straps, and the way we simply remove them is, as you see, you actually have this tiny like metal pin, and the way you basically turn it off, like take it off, is you simply take your fingernail and jam it inside and simply like pull it down, while at the same time also using your other finger to push it, basically the strap outside. So as you see, I hope you can see, basically I'm simply jamming my fingernail over here and then pulling it down, while with the other like finger pushing it out. As you see, I'm able to actually take out the strap over here. And again, to insert it, again, simply first insert in the lower basically hole, basically this like metal pin over here. Okay, like this, and then rest it on the frame of the watch like this, and then again simply like pull this like pin down, and at the same time with the same finger like push it inwards. So again, this is the easiest way. So again, push it down, and okay, unsuccessful. Let's see. Eventually it clicks in, and also make sure you actually hear a clicking sound when you actually do this. By the way, also in the description I'll leave a link where you can get straps for these watches, and they cost only like $2 on AliExpress. So, and they are really just as good as almost as the original straps, which cost like $40 or $50, which in my opinion is very overpriced. So again, basically check the description. That price also includes free shipping. For the price, again, absolutely awesome. Anyway, good luck.